Search and destroy.
What is it? Top?
Defend the objective.
I'm using Bling ACR. I think they're coming A.
Oh my god! Stop about UMP each fob. Bomb town, clock tower. You guys are need to eat stop about UMP.
He went into Fountain. He has bomb in Fountain. He's coming around Cafe!
Yeah, man, he's in dark alley, just calm down. He has a thermal, so if he pokes out and he cleans it and he looks around, he might be able to see your foot or something like that. I think he's just sitting back there, Rex. I haven't seen him run out, I'm 3Ping you, and I haven't even, oh, there he goes, he poked down.
He's in Fountain.
He's back on Cafe to the left, Rex.
No, he jumped up and knew I was there!
Complete the mission. You're the only one left.
He's found with bomb. He picked up my ACR. He's running over to B right now. At least that's what I thought I heard. Other one has to be in Cafe.
We lost that round, but it's not over yet. Get ready for the next one.
He's using a danger close thermal and he just...
Switching sides.
This is just stupid now. I don't even want to play this game anymore.
Search and destroy.
It took you 5 shots to kill him with the car.
Yeah.
We got the bomb.
I didn't stun anybody at A. Is that your frag?
Oh, that's theirs.
Oh, the kids over at
All
A.
they use is frags.
Like A to middle.
He came around us already. He's in chickens, he's dropped generator, he jumped into the little hole and then another one's red. He's in the little hole. Oh,
He's already up top satellite. Oh
It's
my
all up to you
God.
now. We're counting on you.
One's top red, one's vulnerable, and the other guy's already top satellite. Yeah, he was looked like he was looking towards B.
Shot his own player.
FJ or whatever.
Thank God it killed him.
That's why he's still top.
We lost that round, but it's not over yet. Get ready for the next one.
I wouldn't even be surprised because it's on double. He has lightweight.
No, stopping power. It has to be.
That's lightweight. He thinks it's lightweight.
Switching sides.
There's like, I don't understand this.
Search and destroy. Defend the objective.
He only watches it once. How do you start to know that?
No! He two at A and another one's satellite. Legendary pit planted. Oh my gosh!
But it's not over yet. Get ready for the
This
next
kid ate 4 bullets with a tar. He knows you're there?
halftime.
I don't get this.
Search and destroy.
They have to have
Destroy the
something.
objectives.
Like,
acquired.
they don't...
Reloading.
And he just ate there, pretty much.
Is that the guy who rushed?
Yeah, he rushed 2 chickens.
Pretty sure guy's under embassy. I didn't get shot by. I got shot by a sound.
The bomb's been planted.
Oh my god. He's under clock tower. He's under clock tower. You're in a good spot, Mitch. Just chill. He's above you by the stairs. Just wait. He looks over. Right over you. I'll play if he's going for a Mitch if he fakes it, or if he goes for it. He's by construction.
Good job, team. Get ready for the next round. Switching sides. Search and destroy.
They have to have something.
Defend the objective.
Yeah.
Like, seriously, this kid ate 5 just there! He's already through a spawn with bomb and then other ones around cafe.
That's lightweight on this floor. Oh my god!